Stubbornness, arrogance, ambition, I've seen it all before.
Attention, en préparation pour l'opération d'amarrage, début de l'approche finale.
He reminds you of Caecilius.
I cannot lead another gifted student to power, only to lose him to the darkness.
Toujours suspendu ce vendredi et jusqu'à nouvel ordre à l'aéroport international de Gatwick, près de Londres. En cause, le survol de l'aéroport par des drones. L'un d'eux a été repéré une 50aine de fois depuis mercredi soir. Des militaires ont été appelés à la rescousse.
Maintenant, bonjour, merci d'être avec nous. Vous êtes spécialisé, un chercheur invité par...
I'm glad I got a chance to meet you. I'm actually very interested in your work.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it's easier if I just show you.
Great. No. Because I've never felt at home in the real world. I just didn't know how to connect with the people there. I was afraid for all of my life.
Pour tenter d'identifier leur propriétaire, Florence Gaillard.
Des centaines de vols annulés ou perturbés, des files d'attente interminables et des passagers qui tentent de prendre leur mal en patience. Depuis mercredi 21h, l'aéroport de Gatwick est fermé car 2 drones ont été aperçus par les tours de contrôle. On a reçu un message de la compagnie aérienne disant que le vol était annulé. Donc on est tous descendus pour prendre des nouvelles. Du 1 heure et ensuite on nous a dit d'aller chercher nos bagages et de rentrer chez nous tout simplement. Si certains ont accepté de repousser leur départ, d'autres n'ont pas quitté Gatwick de la nuit.
L'avion a démarré avec 15 minutes de retard et tout à coup il s'est arrêté sur la piste.
Apparu au-dessus de Gatwick vers 3 h du matin.
Nous avons fait en sorte que le drone ne mette pas en danger les passagers pendant un vol.
Dans un pays où les publicités et les images de femmes sexy alimentent quotidiennement le contenu des journaux les plus vendus, les fameux tabloïds, l'annonce de cette nouvelle mesure fait débat.
Moi, tout ceci ne me choque pas. C'est leur choix d'apparaître comme ça. En plus, elles sont payées. Où est le problème?
That was when I realized that as terrifying and painful as reality can be, it's also the only place that you can get a decent meal.
Un clip sexiste pourra saisir l'autorité de régulation qui, après enquête et avis dûment motivé, aura le pouvoir de faire retirer la publicité en question.
Leap not taken. His greatest fear wasn't The Shining or any book or movie. His biggest fear was kissing a girl. That's the leap he couldn't take.
Care to dance? Do you know how long I've been waiting for you to ask? Little does she know, I hate eating alone.
So do I.
You don't actually have to keep doing that.
Oh, force a habit.
Here you go. These from the tech fridge.
Oh, nice going.
You want a slice?
Sure, thanks. Cheers.
Cheers.
The ride, how'd that go?
It was going well until he called us to believe the term he used was a chick site. And I didn't hear anything he said after that. Apparently selling clothes makes us a chick site. I mean, really? How is this not legit?
I couldn't agree more. I find that surprising.
Really? Sexism in business? So, would you?
Born with extraordinary abilities, and yet still, they are children stumbling in the dark, searching for guidance. A gift can often be a curse. Give them the power of prophecy, and they may live in fear of the future. Give them the greatest gifts of all, powers beyond imagination.
You have a favorite quote?
I do. You're never wrong to do the right thing.
Who said that, you?
Yeah.
Okay, favorite music?
And they may think they're meant to rule the world.
Leap not taken. Ali's greatest fear wasn't The Shining or any book or movie. His biggest fear was kissing a girl.
Okay, books.
Love Clancy. Love them. Crazy about Harry Potter.
Matt loves Harry Potter too.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I like read them all the week they came out.
Me too.
Okay, what's your relationship status? Are you married? Single?
That's the leap you couldn't take.
Little does she know, she's right.
Thanks for sticking by me, Annie. Thanks for saving me.
So how are you feeling after all that?
So great. Awesome.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm thinking of suing, though. You want to prosecute?
You're in luck. I've decided to work pro bono. I'm joining the public defender's office.
You're a good person, Annie.
What about you? What are you going to do?
The network asked me to bring the show back. I want to start with a piece on Drake.
Oh, wow, really? So what did you say?
I'm not into it. I want to concentrate on the written word. I scored the interview of a lifetime.
Oh, yeah? Who?
You're gonna have to read it.
Oh, like everyone else.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Oh, you idiot! You were supposed to kiss her! Lip lock!
Do you want to talk about that kiss?
Oh, that? You call that a kiss? No, that was your buddy's idea.
That was the plan!
Oh, right, well, that is good to know.
It did feel kind of great, though.
What?
I mean, we're not going to tell Dan about this. Yeah, you take care of yourself.
Hey, don't give up on her.
She's right.
C'est une mémoire phénoménale, proche d'ailleurs de celle qui permet par exemple de se souvenir d'un homme côtoyé des années auparavant. Vous êtes de toute façon totalement inoubliable, mais je m'égare à ceux qui préfèrent regarder devant plutôt que derrière.
Absolutely no problem with you sticking around, but if we do, we're gonna have some ground rules, right?
Just remember why you're here.
The greatest discovery in 3,000 years will uncover the origin of a secret power.
Oh, no, it won't. I'll just tell him I swallowed a parrot.
I think you hurt his feelings.
Well, I expect you have to go. I know I do. So now's the time for you to receive your
What
prize.
happened that day was not my fault.
You're an out on him to save your own skin, you godless Scottish pilgrim.
What's wrong with you? You used to be the life of the party. You used to do the best. Uh-oh.
The knife.
Goodbye.
Yes? Phone call. Long distance from Scotland. Something about some missing...
Another case!
On this planet, infinite forms of variation with each generation, all through mutation.
Oh look, you have ectogrammy too.
So what?
Look at her eye.
En público no, amor. En público no. ¿Serías tan amable, Ada, de permitirnos un minuto? Necesitamos hablar con Liz.
No, Ada, no irás a ninguna parte. Vamos, Mary, trae la bebida. Bruxelles, Bruxelles. Está bien, podemos hacer... No volverá a molestarte esta noche.
Escucha, uno para los Nicos, sí, y otro para mí, ¿eh?
Ven aquí. Ven aquí. Trabajaremos en la calle juntas. Tendré los ojos puestos en ti, amor. Eres repugnante. Repugnante. Eres un cerdo. Sí, soy un cerdo. Soy un error en la naturaleza. Ahora te quedas sola. No. ¿Qué rayos estás mirando?
¿Tienes sed?
Esto era... ¿Cómo dice que se llama?
La aguja de Cleopatra.
Cleopatra era una belleza, ¿verdad?
Fue esculpida 1500 años antes de que naciera el Hijo de Dios.
6 hombres murieron para traerla aquí desde Egipto.
I never get involved in politics. You'd best be on your way. Fine. I'll take you to... But that's the end of it.
Well, that's all we can ask. Put your shirt. All right, it looks like we're about finished with that. We'll pick up where we left off next week. If I'm not mistaken, Henry's at the Brown Donut. Go easy on us, will you, Henry? We're throwing a few low-fat muffins.